Okay, this is my DualLiner. I was delivered about 20 minutes ago from FedEx. I got right outside, cracked open the box. I did not read the instructions. I had just watched the video on this. I ordered the liner about 5 days ago, and it obviously arrived fairly quickly. I believe from Minnesota. I'm in New York. This probably total install time. I did have the tools on hand, and it probably took 12 minutes to do the entire install. The floor mat is as described. It's very comfortable on your knees. Definitely better than the spray and liner I had in the 2018. In fact, way better than the spray and liner I had in 2018. No issues putting it in, popped right in. I did lay it out in the sun to heat it up a little bit so it'll be a little more pliable, which I believe was a benefit to the install. Impressed so far. Hope if you buy one, you have an equally pleasant install experience.